Well, it's better late than never. This is the Dasung 253 Paperlike monitor. To be honest, it's not easy to get a review sample of these, as each one is thousands of dollars. So needless to say, you have to wait in line, even when you're us. But let's see what's inside this incredible monitor, and the single most expensive e-paper product we've ever done here at Good E-Reader. The monitor itself is not lightweight, it is extremely heavy, and it's very, very important that when you're taking this out, it doesn't fall and drop. You have a very heavy metal stand, a file folder filled with documents, a miniature screwdriver Phillips head, several screws, a full-size HDMI, an AC adapter, an actual back stand made out of metal once again, and a proprietary cable that looks like a printer cable and a mini USB all stacked into one. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Dasung 253 Paperlike monitor. Because of the special nature of this product, we are going to do a video on how to set it up, aside from the actual review itself, because this thing is not exactly grab and go, and it does take some time. For GoodEreader.com, this is Peter.